Hello citizens of AzzyLand. I'm going to be doing something totally different than I normally do. I'm going to be testing out the LG Wing. You're probably thinking Azzy is in way over her head, and you would have been right. But this smartphone is supposed to make my life way easier. So in the spirit of life hack videos, which you know I love, let's take this baby out for a spin. When I first got the phone, the first thing that stood out to me was its one-of-a-kind design. Now at first glance, it looks like your standard premium smartphone. You can multitask with the multi-windows features like any other smartphone. But if you swivel out the main screen on the top, then the second screen reveals itself. This really got my attention. Because just by looking at the layout of the two displays, you can already tell how useful they can be. As you can see, having the second app on the second screen is infinitely better than any multi-window feature. In basic mode, you can slide up the divider in the middle to adjust the size of the apps in the multi-window feature. But as you can see, the screen space is very limiting. So let's test this puppy out and see just how much we can do now that we have a second screen. Shopping is made easy because you don't have to toggle between apps to compare prices on different sites. I better compare prices. This one's cheaper! You can play games while browsing the web and totally not use it to cheat. What is another name for adrenaline? What is another name for adrenaline? Oh, epinephrine? I can do tutorials and take calls without interruptions.
Azzy here with a makeup tutorial. First, let's start off with some foundation.
Fix this. Oh no, how does she do it? Hello?
Have you left yet?
Yeah, I'm almost there. I'm on my way. When I get a call, it comes in on the second screen so that nothing appears over the navigation screen as it's running. Hello?
Where are you?
I'm literally here. You can't see me. I'm waving my hands. I can watch movies and video chat my friends in real time, no matter how far we are or how close. Okay. So to recap, I've so far shown you guys all these cool new ways I'm able to use my phone to kick in some upgrade to my everyday life, like being able to text my friends while watching videos, secretly getting a little extra help on the side while I play trivia, being able to use the full screen for navigation without interruption, and comparing prices at the same time. And of course, being able to do multiple things at once. But wait, it's not over just yet. Here's another little life hack to make multitasking easier. You can pair up any two apps together that you use frequently. The phone doesn't make me feel like I'm having to learn new tricks to use the features. Instead, what it does is make what I already love doing on my smartphone easier and better. It allows for a customized and infinite user experience that'll definitely make your life more convenient while letting you do more. And these are just some of my favorite features. There are still countless unexplored experiences for you to create on your own.